Hello. So today we are going to check the how simplify assembly command works and in what purpose you are going to use simplify assembly command. Basically, simplify assembly command used for to optimize big assemblies to simplify their structure without sacrificing design intent or design functionality, or it simply make the big assemblies simpler. Okay. So you I paste this file link in my description. You can download this file from GrabCAD community. This one, rubber work step file. Okay, so let's go. Just go to the menu, then assemblies. Just go to the advanced. In advanced, simplify assemblies. Okay, just click on the simplify assemblies. After clicking on the command, it start work automatically. Okay, getting the all this files or components, and here according to your use you can check, uncheck, and update review. Okay, suppose I not what remove internal voids. Okay, so I check this one and update review, then it's update your simplify one. So it's kind of used for the iteration type of uh, assembly. Suppose you save this for as a first iteration. Okay, the simplify one, and you uncheck all these things in this body inclusion rules and body simplification rule. So it's make the second iteration, it's a simplify one kind of things. Just click OK. Just see after clicking OK what happened. So in front of window we have two screen visible, right? This is one T3 turbo one. If you see in the Spark navigator, nothing is here, or history is available, the all parts in the assembly navigator. But if I activated this part simplify one, you see the only single simplify one file is there, and after checking the part navigator, the one non-parametric file is there, which is in one single unit. Okay, let's check T3 turbo again. If we go here, these all files are different. Okay, so you can easily check the difference between the simplify one assembly and T3 turbo assembly. Thank you.